guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved the sticker tattooed eyebrow look that you've been seeing me wear for the last couple days on Instagram. I am excited to show you guys. This is what they look like. I ordered them off of Amazon. They do come in different sizes, colors, shapes, and all that good stuff. They are exactly like the tattoos that we used to use when we were younger, and we would get them out of the vending machines. All you need is water and a clean surface. As you can see here, I went ahead and cut them out into one set and then took the set and cut them to the shape, and I made sure I cut them very close to the edges. So I've learned you need to make sure to have a clean surface, so you need to wipe off any type of residue on the skin and make sure you apply it. Then you just go in with some water and you sit it there for a little while until it's completely soaked, and then it will just slide right off. I did learn that if you have eyebrows, so if you do have some hair or a lot of hair, it doesn't stick to the hair. So it only sticks to surfaces that are just clean skin. I did have my sister come over and we tried it on her, which she has thick eyebrows, and it would not stick at all. Then I went ahead and tried it with my niece as well, and it didn't stick on her. So lesson learned. I don't have any eyebrows, and that's why it did stick to my face a lot easier. So it is trial and error. I'm going to explain to you guys that I am not a pro at this, and it took me a couple runs to try to get them in as even as possible. But then again, it's still trial and error. As you can see, they come on and they look so beautiful. You could barely tell that they are stickers. It legit looks so real. I've had people ask me if I've had microblading done, and I tell them no, that they are tattoos. Then I have to go into details and explain that they are like tattooed, like the children type of tattoos. I decided to go ahead and do my makeup on camera so you can see what it would look like with makeup. I would not actually color these eyebrows in, and to be honest, these are probably not the eyebrows I would wear. They're way too thick for my face, but I wanted to just show you a full effect. So you are able to color in these eyebrows if you wanted to. So I'm just going to color them in a little bit. Again, this is not something I would walk around with or do on a daily basis, but I wanted to at least give you the full effect. So I went ahead and colored them in as little as I could just to darken them up on the edges, which lasted all day. They did not get oily, or they didn't get runny. It actually lasted, which was really nice. I do mix my primer and my tinted moisturizer together, so I went ahead and just did this on camera for you guys. In case you were curious, I am using a tinted moisturizer, not a foundation. I've been trying to get really in tune with my skin lately, so I'm trying to not use as much product or as little product as possible. It does have an SPF in it, so that's why it has a white residue at first, but then it will blend into the color that I need. And if you are interested in getting this, I got it at Walgreens, or you can get it at any drugstore, or I think Walmart, or even Target if you're not close to any of those other areas, or even Amazon if need be. So I did notice though, with trial and error, that you don't want to use any type of powders around these eyebrows. So when I use the powder to try to not have them look so shiny, is layman terms, I can't think of another word. The residue of the powder actually collected around the sides of the eyebrow, and it started to lift them off my skin. So in this specific video, I didn't use any type of powders. Everything is just cream based, and as you guys can see, I'm only gonna go in with some concealer, put them in specific areas just to highlight the areas I would like to highlight. And I did not go in and bake or set my face. I let everything just sit as a cream. I didn't even use a setting powder, which, to be honest, I have learned that I actually like this technique a lot more than using a powder. Especially as you get older, you'll learn powders are probably not the best for you unless you use a lot of Botox or fillers. But for me, this had a flawless finish, and it really looked really nice as the day went on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up my makeup so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Enjoy. And yeah, I went ahead and got these again off of Amazon. If you are interested, I will go ahead and link them in my bio down below or in the description so that you guys can go ahead and look at whatever options they have for you. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye. What up, everybody? So today has been a little crazy. I feel really bad because we were supposed to vlog the whole fall decor and I never even got to show you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you already seen it, but I do want to make sure I put it in with this video. So let me show you all the new updates that we got going on in our house if you haven't already seen. All right, first things first. Mama got her fall wreath up. We got some new curtains right here. I'm currently going to be getting end tables and I'm kind of looking into changing out my sofa, but that's what we got going on here. We got some more of the fall decor in this area to go with my table and my sofa. You guys know that I've been struggling with my husband about getting these kennels out of here. I was able to get one out. I'm still trying to get this one out. So this is what we got going on over here. Hopefully this will be out by Christmas because I need somewhere to put my Christmas tree. And then obviously, again, if you follow me on Instagram, you know your girl went ahead and decked out the whole fireplace area. Listen, I'm just in love with this area. My husband's so in love with it. He's like, dude, you did so good. My kids love it. This is a bunch of 99-cent store, Didi's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby discounted stuff. I was amazed. You know, HGTV on there. A lot of you guys love my little blanket. New addition to the house. Yes, you guys, dining room in full effect. Hubby went ahead and found me this cute table for 200 bucks. A steal, you guys. Steal. It is used, but listen, can't go wrong with it. Real wood, light chairs. Yeah, I'm in love. I still got a couple of my nail stuff that I gotta get out of here, but things are moving along. Things are definitely moving along. Stay tuned. I want to do a bunch of updating. Chandelier is going to be updated. This is going to be moved. Let me show you what my husband did when he got bored. As you guys know, we wanted to go ahead and update kitchen. For some reason, my husband felt like I'm just going to put a hole in this wall without even asking or having a plan. So yes, we got a hole in the wall. He said he did it for me. I think he did it to piss me off. So it definitely was for me. The intent was different though. I caught on to his shit a long time ago. The holidays are coming. We got a lot of vlogs that we got to get up and get going for you guys. But I wanted to say, I'm sorry. I plan on posting a lot more often, a lot more content coming. But I hope you enjoyed. This is just a sum up, a video of everything that's been going on lately. And we'll see you on the next vlog.